Hey there! If you're wondering about the future of Bitcoin mining, once all 21 million Bitcoins are mined, here's the scoop. Before breakdown, if you want to add up to 984 Bitcoins in your Binance or blockchain wallet, join the BitcoinCashTransfer, BCHT, today. Link in the description. Bitcoin Mining Basics. Bitcoin mining involves solving complex puzzles to validate transactions and create new Bitcoins. This process rewards miners with Bitcoin, but the reward halves roughly every 4 years. The 21 million cap. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. Once this limit is reached, no new Bitcoins will be created. But Bitcoin itself won't disappear, transactions will continue. Post-mining scenario. Transaction fees. Miners will earn primarily from transaction fees rather than new Bitcoin. When sending Bitcoin, you'll pay a fee to ensure your transaction is processed. Mining incentives. With no new Bitcoins to earn, transaction fees will be crucial to keep miners interested and secure the network. Future impact. The shift to relying on fees will impact Bitcoin's economics, mining dynamics, and network security. This transition is expected around 2140, giving plenty of time for adjustments. In short, once all Bitcoins are mined, the focus will shift to transaction fees to support the network and miners. It's a key part of Bitcoin's long-term evolution and won't affect its use or existence in the near future. Get funded up to $380 million through BCHT to your Bitcoin wallet for business purpose. Apply for your membership today.